Cracking the code, a step-by-step guide on how to easily open a coconut. Opening a coconut can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and techniques, it's actually quite simple. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to easily open a coconut. Begin by puncturing the eyes of the coconut with a screwdriver or coconut opener tool. These are typically located at the top of the coconut and can be identified by small indentations. Drain the coconut water by tilting the coconut and pouring the liquid out. This can be done over a bowl or container to save the coconut water for later use. Hold the coconut in one hand and with the other hand use a blunt object such as a meat tenderizer or a hammer to crack the shell. You can do this by hitting the shell in a circular motion around the circumference of the coconut. Alternatively, you can also place the coconut on a hard surface and hit it with a hammer. Once the shell is cracked, use a butter knife or a spoon to pry it open and remove the coconut meat. Use a peeler or a knife to remove the brown skin from the coconut meat. Once the coconut is opened, you can use the meat for a variety of recipes such as smoothies, curries, and desserts. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll be able to easily open a coconut and enjoy its delicious meat. Note: if you're not comfortable with using a hammer or a blunt object, you can also try to crack the coconut by heating it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, before following the steps.